Hello friends, welcome back to this video. A few weeks ago I made a video about me unboxing all the Apple products I got, and I told you that I also had new accessories to decorate everything and to make everything super cozy, aesthetic and cute. So there we go. We are going to start with the iPad, for which I have gotten a case, which is this one, and also an extra case for the case because this protects the iPad well, but in my uni bag I want to put it in this little case as well. I would like to say that all the products I am going to mention in this video are going to be linked in the description below. Let's open all of that. This one I got on Amazon. It's a cute pink case. I'm going to touch it there. Okay, it's a magnetic case. You put the iPad here and there's a little protection for the Apple Pencil. The one I showed you previously is this one. There is a place for the Apple Pencil Pro. The inside is really soft and protective for the case and the iPad. Also, I got this tempered glass. I like writing on paper, so it is paper-like. I didn't want to spend too much money on a mouse, so I got one from Amazon. It's very similar to the Apple one, but it's much cheaper. This is this one. I wanted to have this because I find it's more practical. I find the sound very satisfying. It connects on Bluetooth mode, but you can still connect it because there is a cable that comes with it, with adapters. Oh, in the previous video I kept saying adapter. It's adapter, sorry. This is the cable. I also wanted a keyboard, especially a mechanical keyboard, because you can maybe relate, but I really love ASMR and I like the clicking sounds. Since I like to customize my things, I am probably going to customize some keycaps. If you would like to see that, tell me in the comments. This one is also Bluetooth, but you can still connect it with this cable. It is not very large, which is very practical. That is how it looks. You can make it stand there like that, and the sound is very nice, I think. I can remove the keycaps with this little tool. And last but not least, for the iPad, I got a stand because I want to have my iPad just at my eye level. So it's not that big, you see. Really simple, great color, matching my iPad, and yes. So that is all I got for the iPad. I, however, also got this little silicone case for the Apple Pencil. And now we are going to move on to the iPhone 16 Pro Max accessories, and this is where the cute stuff comes in. Starting with the case I got, which is this Vichy tomato red themed case. I love it so much, and it also came with this little charm that is absolutely adorable. I also got some tempered glass, so I got some clear one looking just like this, very simple and regular. And I also wanted to try this dark one. So basically when you look at it on the front, it looks like clear, you can see through, but when you turn it on the side, it is completely dark so that people next to you can't see what you're doing. So I believe it's great for privacy when you're in the metro, for example, or anything like that. So I'm going to try this. For now, that's it for the iPhone accessories. I wanted to show you what I got for the AirPods Max and the AirPods Pro 2. I got some very simple clear cases like that. Also, I wanted it to match my phone, so I got this one as well. AirPods Pro 2, which is absolutely adorable. So it's this one with this little charm on the side. Moving on to the thing I have the most accessories for, it is the Apple Watch Series 10. I got these two, a lilac purple one and a white one. These are very cute. This one with this little kitty right there, and also a bear one. It is so really cute. And last bracelet I got, I was not sure about the quality of this one, but I found it so cute, and for the price I just wanted to try. And let me tell you, I am not disappointed because it is adorable and the quality is great. It's adjustable, so everything I could wish for. And it's this one with gummy bears. I also got some screen protectors in this little bag and some other cases when you are doing outdoors activities and it is going to be probably a little intense. I got this clear case to put on the Apple Watch, as well as this one. And now let me introduce one of my absolute favorite items, which is a stand for the Apple Watch when it's charging. It is this. Look how cute this is. So you put the MagSafe charger in there, it comes out here. You have a little hole so that it doesn't damage the cable. This is not clickable, but you know, it's just for the aesthetic. And it is adorable. I love it so much. I can't wait to use it. So that is all I have for the Apple Watch. And to decorate the cases, I got some matching little charms. Of course, tomato related. Everything is super pretty. So I forgot to show you, I got something to protect the lenses on my iPhone. That's what I'm talking about. You can put that, there is a little protective thingy right here. It's normally transparent, but I have 3 of them and I have to put them on the lenses. I am going to put everything in place, so let's do it. Ta-da! It's really paper-like, which is very nice. We are going to take care of the camera. There we go! Okay, and now it's time to put it in its case. Ta-da! Let's move on to the iPhone. I think we did a great job. I did not see, but there was a bubble there when I showed you. I got rid of it. We are going to put this little lens protector. I attached the little charm onto the case. Absolutely perfect. This is perfect perfection. And ASMR. Ta-da! Now, moving on to the Airpods Max. The color is not beautiful with it, but we can still try. It can still be cute, I think. It's all right. The earphones. This is really cute. This I love. And last but not least, the Apple Watch. Oh, it's turning on. Let's try this. This way. Oh no, I love it so much. It looks so cute. Oh my god. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, this one is a little too big. What I really want to do is put it all the way through and oh my god. Oh my god. Look. And too much for my little heart. Oh, and I forgot, just before I finish this, I'm going to show you how the case fits. This fits perfectly. Ta-da! Hi friends, so we are many days later, but I received the other part of my order. I wanted to quickly show you before ending this video, and there is my cat making a mess in my bedroom. Let me show you Archibald. Come here. Oh, look how cute he is. Oh, you don't want to stay. Okay. Before I show you the items, I wanted to make a little feedback on this one. The stand is sturdy, that is not the question, but it is not sturdy enough for my iPad Pro. My iPad is too heavy and so it bends, so I'm just gonna have to use it for something else, but I can't use it with my iPad, which is quite disappointing. I also got this stand for my headphones. I am sorry, the cats are fighting yet again. And it is very useful because it prevents my headphones from lying around and making my desk look messy. Then I got another stand because I like my phone standing on my desk, and it is just a wooden piece. Very simple, but it works perfectly fine. Archibald, laisse Hermès. Psst, psst. The little one is messing around with the older one. So I got this case that I love. It is very Italian vibe. It's very cute. I also got this case from Grey's Anatomy. I watched maybe season 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of Grey's Anatomy. I loved it. Mostly I got this one because I'm in med school and I thought it was the perfect fit. And last but not least, I have always been a huge fan of the Winx Club, and I saw this case and I got it. Look, isn't it so cute? It is so cute. Since I'm someone who can be quite clumsy, I got this little strip for my iPhone because I have noticed I am often about to drop my phone, and it is quite an expensive item, so I don't want to drop it like that. So I got this and my problem is solved. I also found this very adorable case for the Airpods Pro 2, and it also has a little strip band, something, so that I always have it secured. And last thing I have got is this little mouse pad for my iPad. It's great quality and it is so cute. If you are interested, normally I have linked all the links in the description, and that is all I have gotten. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you soon. Sweet kisses. Bye.